My $500 Civic, it's been sitting for months. It looks like a junkyard car. The paint's trashed, dusty, dirty. Haven't moved it, haven't drove it, barely driven it. But today that changes because today it's getting a whole new look. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. All right, you guys, so it's nice, prepped and clean and ready to go. Now I'm gonna reveal the color. It's nothing too crazy, but I really like this color, the way it looks in the sun when I had the sample. So this is the color we're going. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Can y'all guess this? Can y'all guess this? All right, here we go. Leave a comment down below what you think before this goes. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Racing, golden racing orange or something like that. I forgot the exact, but look at that. Ooh, look at that. So we're gonna get started on wrapping that front door right there, and then we're gonna make our way back, and then we'll do the quarter panel, and then, well, let's just get started. I got the first door done, which is really cool. It came out really good. A couple issues that I didn't really like was the door handle. You guys can probably already tell from looking at it. I tried doing this without removing the door handle, but ultimately I think I might have to remove it. Just because right here, I don't really like how this looks right here. It's really disgusting and nasty. I might end up removing it for the rest of them just to make it easier than wrapping this alone on itself separate. So I think it'd just be a lot easier than doing it how I'm doing it right now. That's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the ones. We're gonna move on to this rear door. Messed up on this part right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see where I overstretched it a little bit. Heated it too much and then just kind of overstretched it. What can we do? We can replace the whole thing and redo it, but I don't know if I'll have enough for extra, so we're just gonna leave it for now. If I have extra, I'll redo that. I'm definitely redoing that door though too, because you can see I took off the door handle on that side, so I'm gonna be redoing that door. Kept redoing that door handle because I did the other one right there. But like I said, if we have extra, I'll do it. If we don't, oh well, it is what it is. Let's keep going. So far, it's coming out pretty good. And this is where tragedy struck, as I thought this was gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. It was not. As I kept laying and squeegeeing, nothing was working, so I had to lift up and lay, squeegee again,
and it did not work. So I picked it up, laid it down, squeegeed again, and did not work. Nothing was going anywhere. I was not making any progress. I just kept going back to step 1. I was starting to get a little frustrated, to be quite frank. It was getting to me. This frustration was getting to me for sure. Gonna take a break, but this is the progress I have made, which is none.
This hood wrap has been kicking my ass. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad, but it was pretty bad. One issue that I'm having is it's getting a lot of air bubbles. I don't know why. So it's causing really major buildup. It's been kicking my ass for sure. Let's keep going. Don't stop us.
And the lie detector stated that was a lie. By the way, I threw that squeegee. It was getting to me. I was getting mad. I was getting nowhere. I was getting upset. I kept going to step 1 and step 1 and step 1. I finally decided to call it quits. And that was the end of that.
All right, after fighting this for so much, yesterday I went home and I was like, I'm gonna take a break. I went home, came back, got on it right away. I didn't film the rest, but I got on it and I knocked it down as best as I could. It's pitted a lot and I got a lot of little air bubbles that I just didn't get all the way. They're small, I'll show them later, but this did not come out the best if I'm being quite honest with you. I would want to redo this just because I don't like how it looks. A lot of, and I think the main thing of it, why I did it is because I didn't add a triple S like adhesive reducer, because this is really tacky. So me pulling it, lifting it, and moving it and squeegeeing it, like it creates these glue lines. So I see all these glue lines, I see the imperfection, and it just bothers me. But for now, we're gonna leave it like this, just because I might not have enough wrap. So it's whatever it is, what it is now. But we're gonna continue on with the side. I already kind of got it all on. So we're gonna get this side done, and then let's move on to the other side after that. So I'm gonna get to it. Alright guys, that is the full wrap on the Civic. I got it done all by myself. I got one help, and that was the hood. I was struggling with the roof. I was struggling with the hood a lot. And then the front and rear bumper, I was struggling with it too. I kind of got the logistics of it at the very end for the rear bumper, but it still came with its little damages that happened. For instance, let me show you. Cause I ain't afraid to show. I ain't a rapper. I'm not a rapper. All right, so for instance, you got these guys right here, which is not good. This one not too bad on this side actually, so it came out pretty good. Oh dang, I'm back to this too much. So on this side, I kind of overdid it and it burned right there. And then on the other side, I got like the things right there. You see that? No bueno. But for the most part, it didn't come out too bad. I gotta redo this handle. I gotta do that door handle. I haven't put it back together because I'm still missing that door rod clip. Some of my cuts were a little wonky. I don't know why. Usually I'm pretty good at cutting it, actually, not gonna lie. But you can see right here, right there. So it has its little things that just didn't come out as I wanted it to. But when it comes down to stuff like this is always the best of my ability of what I know. And it's just awesome that I did this and I got this done, which is really cool. So I like how it came out. I like how it looked. I think there's a couple things I still need to tuck. I'm not sure. I don't know. I think I did. So, but we're good. We're the wrap on this got done, and I'm very happy how it came out. And I'm still kind of not even done with it. I still got a couple things to do, like this chrome trim. It's gonna be black. The side pieces I gotta put on. I have all of those over there, but I'm gonna make them black. I'm still debating if I should do the lips black. The front. I mean, either do them like a shiny black or do it like just the wrap. Same with this. I'm still debating it. I'm not 200% sure. I kind of like the little black accents that it carries and it has, but I'm still not 100% sure. I might do that orange. I'm not sure. But other than that, you guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.